What is up, guys? Welcome to the dojo. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the trade that I took today on NAS, which I got $100. First, it was this trade that appears right here. We'll do a breakdown of it. So let's go rewind the time, and it starts from when I started. I started around, I think it was right here, 740. So at that point, I didn't have this box, of course. So let me take it off. Let me take this off. But I did saw this support that was right here was getting due to the consolidation. So I was seeing the rejection here. So I was hoping for the price to go down all the way here to make a move to the upside. Then I see the market that then in this case it shoot up. So I have two options. It's either we're gonna hold this little demand zone that it create here, or it's gonna break this zone and then tap into my support and to continue to the upside. Also, I was starting to think that because if we go to the hour chart, we can see that we're bullish. So overall, we're bullish. So we're seeing all this movement to the upside that we're going. We're having like a little squeeze, and we're trying to break the trend line, which we break last week Friday. So it's like, okay, it's like a way to get over the fact that we might not go down and try to tap these areas right here, which I would like, because it would be a next opportunity during the week to get a nice trade to the upside and get a lot of pips. But that's for another topic. So going back into the 5 minutes, so we already know that we're bullish for the day. Also, if we put on the EMAs, this is the EMAs that I like to use for confirmation, we can see that we're over the 200, the 50, and the 13. So that means we're in a strong trend to the upside. So we're going back to the 5 minute. In the 5 minute, we can also see that we're bullish, even though we went straight down all the way here. We're picking up pace to the upside, and I was hoping for the market to hit these highs at this point. Also, we have yesterday's high, which we broke after on Sunday after the market just opened. We broke yesterday's high, so I was like, okay, could be we can get a retest breaking the highs. And from there, it was like, is either we break the highs and then continue to the upside, or we touch the highs again and then we go to the downside. So that was like my thinking at the moment. So we fast forward a little bit, we were able to see that the market was getting a little bit, struggling a little bit, and then we broke this zone right here. So if we take this, we can see that we broke this. So I was looking like, okay, we're still bullish and the markets keep pushing to the upside. That's when I decided, okay, we got another zone. In this case will be this zone right here. Mind you that nonetheless, my entry would be ideal if the market touched this zone right here, which is 15,764 was the price that I was looking for in order to buy. And fast forward, we can see that the market is starting to go down. We also had these trend lines I forgot to mention, just following the trend. So I was like, okay, we got this area and it's having some confluences with the trend line. So I was having like a nice way of like feeling satisfied with the trade. When I see this candle right here touch the zone, I was like, okay, it kind of seemed that we might go to the upside, which it did end up doing. And before this, can't go back a little bit, but if we go to the 1 minute, at the time I was looking, we had this nice demand zone that was waiting here. So I was looking that on my MT5 the moment I didn't look in my trading view. So I was like, okay, we tapped the zone and we have a demand on the 1 minute. I don't like to take 1 minute setups, but just of the fact of having all the confluences, I decided to take the trade. Nonetheless, I didn't take the trade in the 1 minute chart. I decided to wait on the 5 minute until I got a break of the candle, which was this one right here. At that point, I just went ahead. As soon as it broke this, I placed my position, and I was looking for 20 pips, which for me is $100 since I use a lot size of 0.5 on Nasdaq. So every 10 pips, well, yeah, every 10 pips I'll get $50. And yeah, as you can see, the rest is history. If you let it play, see the market went down a little bit, and then boom, hit my take profit, and I got my money. After that, I was really hoping for the market to give me 40 pips, which was this zone right here, which not end up doing, because after get it and slightly test the highs, the market went down drastically. Then around open market, which is soon, went all the way down. And as you can see, as soon as it hit open market, it shoot back up, hit this supply that created right here, and the market decided to do what it does the most. So if I would have stayed on that trade, I would have lost completely. So I was a little bit grateful that I took the trade and I get out as my 20 pips, which is what I'm looking for daily. And yeah, that was a trade today. If you have anything else, y'all want to ask me some questions, you can leave in the comment, and I'll be more pleasure to answer y'all. So as you guys can see, here's the MT5 where I took the trade. This is the challenge account for the 5K on the 5%ers. Yeah, here's the trade history where I took the trade. Hop in here, get out the trade right here. This was the songs that I had marked up at the time, and here's the history right here where I got the $100. This was some stupid shit that I did on Friday, but nonetheless, I just want to continue with the challenge. The goal is $400, so I just got 3 more trades to go. If I got them correctly, I always try to get the best setup every day. If not, I don't take a trade at all. So I'll be following with you guys next day. Thank you very much.